Now, you were just asking me if I could see you, and I can see you.
What did you do with Jeff?
He's not here today. He might be back next week. In any event, I'm hosting his show, The Jeff Richards Show.
Oh.
It's my show, but I'm never there. It's
Sometimes you have these people, Jeff Richards have these people on their show, and you can't, indistinguishable who is who sometimes.
But is that a good idea to try to fool people?
I'm doing fine, and I feel good. And
Two doors,
Yeah.
you go right, you know, and then you don't go right.
That's been a good impressions doctor, but it was I used to hack it up real good.
Books, I'm inspired by a lot of books. I'm reading this book right now called...
I have to get some because I love fragrance.
Tell me about that.
Dynamics, and then the wide range of emotions that you.
Tropics flown in. I had them. They.
It's good to see you. Listen, I hope I'm not barging in.
Jiu-jitsu, you know?
It's real.
You read it?
Extrasensory perception. I got into composing and arranging music. I have no idea.
my show.
Killing it for you, boy.